Hi, this is Jody. Welcome to Northern Country Creations. And I'm actually up here at my cabin giving my completed book to my neighbor. And so I wanted to share with you how it turned out, how I fixed her book. And so it's A Fly Went By, and it's a Dr. Seuss book. The spine was all basically falling off, pages were falling out. It was in really bad shape. I actually showed her some of my junk journals, and she's like, "Oh, can you fix this book for me?" It's been in their family for a while, and I had to cut the spine off and redo all the pages. This is the completed project. I put some book edges on it because the edges were just really, really bad, falling apart. And so she did give me a hanky. And so I thought, oh, I'm going to use that to actually, for the material going over the spine. So I added that and some lace onto it, and it's blue, and so it matches the book, and goes around the back. And then I also sealed her book with decoupage, a matte finish, so it's sealed now. And yeah, let me show you through it here. And so I've got the inside. I sewed in the spine, and so this is her book, and all the pages basically were really bad. So I used just some washi tape here and there to mend the pages and put the book back in its condition. And so I put on these little tags for her. She can cut them off if she doesn't want them on there. So the book is, all back in its order, and I hope she's really happy with it. Because it wasn't all together when I got it. So yeah, just so nice of a story, and so beautiful book. And so she'll have many more years to use it. Yeah. So it has two signatures in it. So yeah, just wanted to share with you what the book looked like. And now the second signature, I didn't have to do a lot of page repair on some of these. The first signature, there's quite a bit of repairs that I had to do with the pages and stuff, because they had scotch tape and they had packaging tape on the pages holding them in, and so it was fun to rejuvenate the book for her. So I just wanted to flip through and show you. Yep, so like this one, the page was ripped, so I just put a little bit of washi there, and I just kind of made it so that it blended in with the pages. And some more of those. Oh yeah, it wasn't 2 signatures. I'm sorry, 4 signatures. Yep, so 4 signatures these were. So, yep, and it was fun redoing the book, and some of the pages were so bad I had to take another one and put together, glue together with another one to make it more sturdier so it would last. So that was that. So yep, I'm going to take it over to her, and so hopefully she likes what I did to it. Okay, well, I just wanted to share that with you, how I did my repair. Thank you for watching.